Market update, we're gonna talk about sales price. We just talked about inventory a few videos ago, but now we're gonna talk about our sales price. National average is $423,000. That's a little bit less than last week, right? Not a lot, honestly. Now, we are expecting that to go down about $400,000 by the end of the year, which is normal every year, right? Pricing usually comes down during the holidays for multiple reasons, right? Also, I wanna talk about price reductions, right? Price reductions is right around 43%, basically the same as it was last week, but we do feel like that has topped. It's not gonna go any higher than 43% as a nation. It should come down because people are pulling the houses off the inventory, or pulling houses off the market, and because of that, we'll see less price reductions, and then they'll put the houses back on the market coming January. Now, for our buyers, we talked about interest rates in the last video and how that's super important. Well, one of the major things why interest rates going down is good for you is your purchase power has gone up. So people who are just qualified for $500,000 now qualify for $550,000, which means one of two things. A, I can get more house for the same payment, or B, I can get less house and save money on my payment. You wanna know more on how this helps you long-term? Please reach out in my DM. I'll be more than happy to answer any of your real estate questions.